Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a business account on Amazon. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, go to your Amazon.com, and once you're here, you will just have to look for create an account option. So it should be somewhere right here. So just go ahead and click create a free business account. And now that you're here, what you will have to do is you will just have to enter your email, and of course work email is preferred for that. And once you click get started, you will be prompted to select your to enter your business details, such as your legal business name, address, and tax ID. And then you will just have to click next once you've filled out everything. And then, of course, you will be asked to verify your identity as well. So you will have to provide your government ID, bank account, and credit card for verification. And after all that, you will just have to set up your store by completing your store name, product, and then the categories and payment settings. And then you will just have to finish the setup. And yeah, that's how you can create your Amazon business account. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.